Are you looking for the best socket organizer? In this video, we will break down the top 5 socket organizers on the market. We have included links in the description for each product mentioned, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. At number 1. Olsa Tools Socket Organizer. If you're short on drawer space and want to clear the clutter from the top of your tool bench, then this socket for you. It holds 68 sockets or 75 metrics to your toolboard, the side of a metal tool cart, or even to your truck bed. It can hold up to 68 sockets. Securely hold this socket organizer to any steel surface with its strong magnetic base. Sockets are held to the tray magnetically, allowing you to grab one without having to wrestle with stubborn clips. Olsa's system holds 1x4 inch, 3x8 inch, and 1/2 inch deep and regular sockets, and each socket hole is clearly labeled, making it easy to pick the right size. At number 2. Thorbuyys Socket Organizer. It is an all-inclusive socket tray set specially designed for keeping sockets organized. The size accommodates 3 pieces set of 1x4 inch, 3x8 inch, and 1/2 inch drive sockets. The durable ABS construction offers durability. This ABS material can keep your socket safe from oil and gas. The weight of each storage tray is 2.4 pounds. Generally, they fit size ranging from 1/8 inch to 5/8 inch, 1/4 inch to 1 inch, and 3/8 inch to 1-1/4 inch. Furthermore, they accommodate metric sizes ranging from 4 mm to 15 mm, 6 mm to 20 mm, and 10 mm to 27 mm. The black metric and red socket tray easily distinguish when they are mixed. The implemented dual rail design allows you to store both shallow and deep sockets simultaneously. At number 3. Ernst Manufacturing Socket Organizer. This socket measuring 19.75 by 5.3 by 1.35 inches. This socket organization tray made by the Sandy, Oregon company includes 3 rails. The rails hold a total of 40 sockets, 15 of 1/4 inch, 14 of 3/8 inch, and 11 of 1/2 inch sizes. The clips feature a twist lock mechanism to prevent spilling during transport, and the posts are short enough to allow storage of all but deep good sockets in shallow drawers. The tray itself holds the rails firmly and prevents sliding during transportation. It is perfect for storage in the drawer, on the bench, or on the go. The Socket Boss fits a large set of tools using a small amount of storage space and featuring easy-to-grab handles on each end. At number 4. Casoman Screwdriver and Wrench Organizer. With this wall-mount screwdriver organizer, you can easily organize and access all of your screwdrivers, spanners, extensions, ratchets, pliers, and other small tools all in one place. This wall-mounted wrench organizer holds your set of wrenches with efficiently designed black clips, so you can grab the wrench you need quickly and easily. The set includes 2 PCs screwdriver rails with 13 PCs red clips and 13 PCs blue clips and 2 PCs wrench rails with 26 PCs black clips. The clips on the holder are specially designed to hold a multitude of different sized screwdrivers or wrenches. A clever tensioning system will securely hold your tools without the risk of falling out. At number 5. Olsa Tools Socket Organizer. This tool sells 3 socket organizers in a set, saving you both time and money. The organizers are ideal for most types of sockets. They are built with high-grade polypropylene and will serve you for years. These magnetic socket organizers hold 68 sockets, 1x4, 3x8, and 1/2 inch. They have a rubberized magnetic base that doesn't scratch steel surfaces. You can mount them on your toolbox or on a steel wall. Their strong ferrite magnet base holds your sockets in place. Your sockets will only leave the trays when you remove them. High contrast labels allow you to easily find the right socket.